Come to Florida and float in the blue-green waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Marvel at the natural beauty and wonder. Enjoy the picture postcard beauty the Battleground State has to offer and help shape the future of our country. These days, there is something especially exciting happening in this vacation and retirement wonderland. And I'm not just talking about the magnificent fall sunsets. The choice this selection has to offer is as clear as the pool waters you can dip into after November 6th. And few states matter more to this election than the Sunshine State. With temperatures in the mid-80s and the sun shining brightly, there is no better weather for knocking on doors, making phone calls, talking to your friends, grandmothers, and grandfathers who may still be unsure who they are casting their ballots for this November. So no matter where you live, come to Florida and play your part in moving this country forward. You need Florida, and Florida needs you.